We guide you through how to use Tap to Pay on iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone supports Tap to Pay and is updated to the latest version of iOS. Keep in mind that Tap to Pay on iPhone is designed for businesses to accept contactless payment directly on the device without needing extra card readers. Next, sign up with a supported payment service provider and complete their setup process. Once your account is ready, open the provider's app, enter the purchase amount, and choose the Tap to Pay option. Ask your customer to hold their contactless credit or debit card and iPhone or other digital wallet near the top of your iPhone until the payment is confirmed with a check mark or confirmation message. If prompted, have the customer enter their PIN on your iPhone. After the transaction is approved, you can send a digital receipt if your payment app supports it.